Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank Honourable Samate for his question. Tries to address the concerns regarding future plans for Valelevu Health Centre. I'd like to inform that the upgrade of Valelevu Health Centre is aligned to the recently approved 6-year Pacific Health Highlands Transformation Project, or FIT, focused on the upgrade of our health systems and health infrastructure that deliver primary health care. And I'd like to stress that the FIT project is a comprehensive initiative aimed at strengthening health systems across Fiji by ensuring equitable access to care for all citizens. The project strategically recognizes the unique geographical challenges a diverse population face, especially in the areas of Valelevu, and leading to the implementation of a tailored patient pathway focusing on urban, rural, and maritime communities. And so our urban areas, especially Valelevu, has been identified as a priority zone due to its large populations and high prevalence of non-communicable disease. And currently, Valelevu Health Centre, as you all know, is very, very congested, often overcrowded and lacks space and its whole infrastructure. The ministry's plan is to undertake a major refurbishment and upgrade of the infrastructure and new build to meet current service demands and exploring other options for provisional other services during construction. As I said, it's part of the Pacific Healthy Island Transformation Project in terms of upgrading urban primary healthcare facilities. And right now, in terms of the plan, will include integrated network of care, digital health and telemedicine, and again, workforce transformation, and adding in value to the facility so that it takes the load off the work of CWF in terms of some of the services. So that is currently in the plan, and we will look forward to the implementation.
Thank you, Minister. The Honourable Dr. Ratu Lalabalavu, supplementary. Honourable Usamati.
Well, I thank the Minister for his reply to the question. Is there any likely timelines for the various phases of Valelevu in particular?
Honourable Minister.
The Pacific Health Island Transformation Project is a 6-year initiative, and it's something that will come together with the overall development of the new hospital, maybe, and to ensure that when we develop Valelevu Health Centre, we ensure that services cease in that area so that we can do an overhaul. That will take time. We ask the public to bear with us on that, but nevertheless, it is something that is currently being planned for in the FIT project that is coming up.